Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. As always, big thank you to all my subscribers. This week's just going to be a quick video because I've just bought myself some button jaws from Axminster tools. I've already put it together, put it on the lathe, I filmed it, so let's take a look. So this is the 250mm button jaws from Axminster tools. This will fit on my SK100 chuck, so let's take a look in the box. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for this with my own money and it cost me £89. Backing paper, got to check it, don't want to lose anything. Everything's in a nice sealed bag. And in here we have the buttons for the button jaws. Allen key and the Allen key bolts for fastening the plates to the chuck. And the plates themselves. So I've got 8 buttons, 4 face plates, a bunch of Allen screws and my Allen key. These face plates are all individually numbered, which correspond to numbers on the chuck like any other Axminster jaw. There's a groove in the back which seats on this portion here. So it's just a case of matching number 1 to number 1, number 2 to number 2, number 3 to number 3, number 4 to number 4. Quite simple really. All you do, put your Allen key bolt in, do it up, like so. I'm not tightening these completely just yet. What I am going to do is I'm going to turn the camera off, put these 4 plates on and move on to the next step. The face plates are still loose, but before I tighten them up completely I'm going to close the jaws with the chuck key. Now I've only got a short chuck key. I should have ordered the longer one, which would make life easier, but I didn't think. I think I can get away with this one, to be honest, at least for the time being. Right, now they're fully closed, I'll tighten these up. Next, I'm going to put the buttons on. I bought these button jaws so I can reverse chuck items in the lathe, such as bowls, things like that, so I can work on the bottom. There's 6 different positionings on these face plates for the buttons. And of course, when you're putting your buttons on, you've got to make sure they're always set on the same row. Right, take it over to the lathe, put it on the lathe, see how it looks. That fits nicely. I was originally wanting a larger one, but I think this 250mm one will serve my purposes just fine. It's nice and solid, nice and thick metal. It looks well made. I'm looking forward to using it in future projects. As I said before, I could have done with the larger chuck key, because there's going to be lots of little turns to open it and close it. But I can make do with that, like I said before. All in all, I'm pleased with my purchase. I'm looking forward to using it. As always, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. And as always, thanks for watching.